Hello, I'm Mike Mackler, Athletic Director here at GCIT. With me now is our Male Athlete of the Week, Anthony Malesich. Anthony, congratulations.
Thank you.
Anthony is a member of the boys bowling team. Anthony, what grade are we in?
I'm a junior.
And our program?
I'm in computer science.
And what town are you from?
I'm from Deptford.
Deptford. So, you know, we're getting to near the end of the season, Anthony. Just a few more regular season matches are left, I believe. It's been a pretty good season for the team. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, played pretty well. Obviously, we had some challenges, but considering we're still in the race for first place, it's pretty fun to see all the guys having a good time and still winning.
You know, we hold Hamilton yesterday, came with a 3-1 victory. You had a very good day. 8 strikes in a row and just got robbed. Yeah. Coach Ruiz said you got robbed there, right, on the 10-pin?
Yeah, I mean, it was a good shot, but what are you going to do?
Yeah.
I'm accustomed to it.
So, you know, Anthony, we're like I said, we're getting to near that end of the year. And again, these are when the tournaments are going on. We got the Tri-County Conference Tournament, which we have won the last 2 years, you know, and we got a nice, strong team going in. And also sectionals coming up. So going into these tournaments, how do you feel yourself and as the team going into these tournaments?
I mean, Tri-County, it's obviously been a little bit difficult because our record, we haven't lost, but we've had a lot of ties, but we're still pulling in strong. Tri-County is going to be probably one of the tightest matches that we're ever going to have. Sectionals, I think we might have a little bit of a better shot considering our division is a little bit weaker, but still we still have Camden County in there and they're a really good team. But overall, I think we have a pretty good chance of winning this thing. So,
Anthony, you know, you've been a male athlete before we talked to you, but how long have you been bowling for?
I've been bowling since I was 3. I started at Deptford, just pushing the ball down the ramp and then seeing what happened. I was 6 years old, got a coach, walked up to me. So I coached him till now and still coaching with him and still trying to learn the basics and just keep progressing forward.
And, you know, just, you know, the time you've been here, you know, we've seen that improvement still. And again, you're doing very well. I guess, you know, going into, coming into this year, we lost some bowlers, but some, you know, a lot of people have really stepped up, though, for this team, haven't they?
Yeah, I mean, we have a really solid team. It's me, Jacob, Trevor, Christian, Ryan. They're practicing, they're getting better. Spares are getting better, strikes, they're striking a lot. And it's a pretty solid team, I think. I think we did a pretty good job and we might be able to win this thing.
All right, sounds good. So we kind of hit on before, but just like looking into what are you looking forward to for these tournaments going in?
Well, for Tri-County, it's obviously you want to win it for bragging rights. I know a lot of kids on the other team, so that'd be fun to win. Sectionals, I really want to make it to sectionals, go to states, maybe get the day off. But just states is a lot of fun. I have a lot of friends up north too, so just have a good time and see what happens.
All right. Well, good luck to those things. And what's one of the best things about bowling here at GCIT?
Just having a lot of fun. I mean, obviously I try to win these games, and sometimes I have, and sometimes we've tied. But it's obviously a lot of fun. All the guys having a great time, and we're winning. So that's all that winning, having fun.
And one of the best things about going to school here at GCIT?
Teachers are really nice. I have a lot of friends, having a lot of fun, and learning's really nice. It's a lot more. What do you call it? Stress-free. So, see how it goes through my last 2 years.
All right. Well, hey, listen, best of luck to you and the team the rest of the season, and congratulations on being named the Male Athlete of the Week.
Thank you.
Anthony Malesich. We are continuing our Athlete of the Week segment. We're now with the Female Athlete of the Week, Cameron Ferrari. Cameron is a member of the diving team here at GCIT. First off, congratulations.
Thank you.
Cameron, what grade are you in?
I'm a junior.
And what's your program?
Cosmetology.
And what town are you from?
Pittman.
So, Cameron, very exciting. You know, we're towards the end of the season, pretty much. We're heading into a couple. We have the county tournament coming up and the conference tournament. And, you know, one of the big things, you qualified for states this year. So that's not easy to do. So congratulations.
Thank you.
So how long have you been diving for?
I've actually only been diving since last season. I started sophomore year because I wanted an off season from running and cross country and track. And I have a gymnastics background, so it was kind of easy for me to just jump right in. And I love it. It's so much fun.
Okay. And, because you do cross country and you do track, what made you, was there something, hey, I'm going to try this diving, or what kind of got you in that direction?
My body was just, it was too much to do 3 seasons of running. It's a lot of running, and then the summer training is really, so I decided, wow, I should try, Miss Lindsay actually said, you should try diving. And I was like, diving? Like, I've never even tried to jump off a diving board before. Right. So I gave it a try, and turned out I was pretty good at it.
All right. So diving's, very unique. It's very specialized, obviously, and you have to have some courage, if you're going to do a flip, we got the board and everything there, so did it take a while to get adjusted to that?
Yeah, and it's a little bit different from gymnastics like I've done in the years before. It's some of the things you got to get used to. Sometimes it is really scary, and sometimes you just got to go for it and land on your face. And that's what gets you to go and keep trying, is you have to fail to get better, and you have to never give up.
So, one of the things, you qualified for the states, which is really good. Tomorrow is the county championships. We got the conference, and then obviously for the state competition. So, what are some of your goals you have? As we come into the end of the season.
My goals are to perfect. I got new skills in order to go to the state meet. My goals right now are to perfect those skills, maybe get some higher scores on them, and my fellow teammates also feel the same way about those things.
Okay, so, well, listen. Best of luck to you, and these things coming up, and for the rest of the team also. What's one of the best things about diving here at GCIT? We're
all like a family. It's most of my friends. I made friends through the sport, so my friends joined it. We're all like a family, and also it's in other sports. I feel like you fall or you mess up, and you feel this like you want to cry or you get upset. This, you could fall on your face, and people are clapping for you. You do amazing. People clap for you. It's a very supportive sport, and you get anxious. You stand up there, you shake a little bit, you're nervous, and there's no need to be nervous. The judges, they always tell you best of luck. The judges are so nice. The coaches are so nice. It's just a really nice community to be in.
All right. What's one of the best things about going to school here at GCIT?
There's something for everybody. Everybody either has a sport or a club or a program. There really is something for everyone.
All right. Well, listen, once again, congratulations and best of luck the rest of the season.
Thank you.
Our female athlete of the week, Cameron Ferrari.